Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to show you how to add a widget on TradeView. The purpose of the TradeView widget is to display real-time market data directly on your website. It allows users to view price movements, analyze charts, and monitor assets like stocks, crypto, or Forex without leaving the page. By using this widget, we can provide traders with fast, reliable market insights in a simple and interactive way. Let's walk through the steps together, so even if you are new, you can follow along. Now, first, we open our browser. We type tradingview.com. After being redirected to the page, you will see More in the upper part. Just point the cursor there for a second, and a drop-down menu will appear. Now, point to the For Business section, and a side panel will appear. Then click. Point to All Widgets, and click this. Wait for a second, and you will be redirected to this page. In this section, you can see different kinds of widgets. Choose any widgets you like, anything you want. After choosing the widgets you want, you can tick Get Widget. Once redirected to this page, you can customize your widget. Anything you like, size, symbols, anything, whatever you want. Once you configure all your settings in your widgets, you can copy the code and paste it into the application you want. It can be HTML or any application you want to use. Now copy and paste it there, and you are all set. Feel free to experiment with it and see what works best for you. More chart targets coming soon.